What's going on, guys? Coming back at you with day 4 of the New York trip, and we're just grinding out content. So we're at the Gold Coast New York show. This is my first time here. This is Steve's second time here, and this show is going to be absolutely oh my god. GT2 RS, Yellow La Ferrari. Guys, I'm officially car drunk. About to go full Crucial Cali cars. Oh my god. Well, here we go, guys. DB11 Volante. Saw this 2 days ago, I think so. Yeah. Check out this NSX. Oh my god. That is delicious. That is a thing of beauty. Oh my god. Show is out of control crazy, guys. That's rare. This is a red Performante, I'm not sure. Sorry about the wind. Look at this SLS. Or is that an AMG? That's an, oh, it is an SLS. That is crazy. Oh my god. Look at that. AV. Woo! That is incredible. The king of all Gallardos, and just a regular Aventador Roadster, and then another super Leggera Spider. Performante, actually. Wow, that's what you get in Chicago. It's crazy over there, the car scene. Yeah.
I've only been through Chicago once. I went to a shop.
GT3 RS. Look at this thing.
That's a wrap, right?
Yeah. Well, the color isn't a wrap. There's a stealth wrap over it. Yeah. Yeah, like a matte. god.
Yo, John, get the.
That is incredible. Is that Rosso Fuoco? This is my second LaFerrari in 48 hours.
What? Seriously?
Well, third, because there's a yellow one over there. Because we saw a gray one on Greenwich yesterday.
Oh shit, yo, how was that?
It was incredible. It sounded amazing. Yeah, it's on my Instagram. Wow, there's one of these in Pittsburgh in green.
That is such bullshit.
Buddy's about to start up the VW. Cold start. Is he figuring it out?
It's not gonna start.
He's gonna flood it. It's so full of sand. S.p.A, step your dog vlog game up. I haven't seen any Louis Vuitton Supreme Combo dogs in LA. That's awesome.
That's nice. C36.
Guys, the M4 GTS I drove didn't sound like that.
Not even looking.
Guys! Watch out! Straight flexing. That's great. That son.
Why is he driving golf cart?
That's not safe. He's gonna run into the LaFerrari.
Yo, if he did that, that'd be the illest lawsuit.
Yeah.
Gang shit. Oh, the windshield. Does it? Cold start.
Guys, I don't know what's going on. Oh!
Ghost driver.
It's a ghost driver!
What? What's the same thing? What is that? Oh my god, oh, it's good. I remember you.
Let's go! Oh! Alright, let me hop down. This officer's gonna yell at me.
You can jump out.
Yeah, let me hop
Tuck
out.
and roll, yo. Tuck and roll.
Oh. Alright guys, that was interesting. I'm gonna go find Steve now. Yeah, buddy. Guys, look at the pipes on this thing. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at this lineup, guys. You'll never see this. What are the odds? Oh my god. Guys, two law Ferraris, P1 918, and a GT2 RS, about to rip down this strip. It's about to be fucking wild, guys. My buddy Steve, he just made it. I see him, he's at the corner. Oh my god.
No fucks given at all.
Oh my god. Chills, guys. I can't feel my legs. I didn't shake his hand, guys.
You owe me $50.
I didn't shake your hand.
You owe me $50.
Oh my god.
$50.
I didn't shake your hand, dude.
$50.
I'd never shook your hand. What are the odds? These are so rare. Oh my god. Wow, Steve spotted this out of the corner of his eye. Bentley Continental GT3R. Oh my god. This is incredible. Oh my god. Steve, you genius. And it's nice out. It's cold. It's cool. It's a cool 60, 65. I'm loving it. Perfect day for car shows. Oh my god. Yesterday was way too hot.
Dude, this is crazy.
This is ridiculous, dude.
I got good eyes, don't I?
Yeah, you do. I mean, I saw the Bentley, I just did not expect it to be a GT3R. Oh my god.
Ain't no credit to your name. Ain't no credit line open. That's just credit to the game. Put the business in the name. Something unique like a slave. Make a difference like a change. The year of public on strain. Don't be chilling on the couch. Remember this is for the couch. Remember this is for the car niggas that are
Yeah, buddy. Alright guys, we made it back to Greenwich. The concourse is over there. I'm really not sure if I want to go in and pay for it, but maybe. I don't know. Steve will probably convince me. There might be something cool. I don't know. But there's a 488 and a Performante just chilling in the parking lot. Like, are you serious? This ain't even the show. Guys, look at this combo. Ridiculous. Performante, way better than the 488. That's ridiculous. Greenwich is crazy. There's no shortage of cool stuff here. It's awesome. Guys, check this out. Just scheming on the Ave. 720S. Absolutely ridiculous. Wow. I seem to always see purple cars on the Ave. Last time I saw a purple Bentayga, now a purple 720S. Look at that. I'm in the road, I'm being retarded. Guys, the SCG-3. The man himself.
Watch this out.
Guys, like the 4GT doesn't even matter now.
That's why. Oh, this is the one. Whoa.
Excellent. This is my GT. I love it. I'm still handsome. Pick up excellent car.
That's incredible. That's incredible.
Yeah, it got replaced by the GT.
That's incredible. I mean, this isn't too offensive, but it's called the Vantage. Aston Martin.
Why does it have the... Looks like
Also. And that just came out also. That's called the DB11 Volante. Ferrari
going
812s.
one year, one after the other.
Check this out.
I'll be very careful.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me.
Pardon me.
Oh my God.
All right, so you don't want to listen? No. Okay, thank you. Push back.
You can be over there, but just not over here, okay?
Hey, I'm gonna go and grab the truck. All right.
Okay, yeah, you might have to wait a bit. I can't control how.
I got it.
Guys, the most beautiful car in the world.
Can we hear the back of the engine, please? Very impressive. Everybody, we love the V12 engine is magnificent. Can we hear it? Everybody, try and listen. It sounds like